Assalamu alaikum. We are going to create this drawing in AutoCAD. There is a note that says this drawing is designed to provide you the use of following commands: offset, fillet, polar angles, and circle. And you're going to place those marks and for the circle and for the arcs. And don't forget to use the appropriate layer for center lines. There are two center lines. So we can make use of three layers: center layer, object layer with the main drawing is, and the dimension layer. Let's go to AutoCAD. So you're going to open your title block that has the layers and it has the title block template. Save as, drawing 19. Go to model space and go to center layer, and the first line we can start is a vertical line, and we can start at 10,10. And vertically I'm going to draw 6 units. And at the midpoint we are going to draw the circle. Now the radius is given, so we're going to select center radius circle. Go in object layer. Radius is 1.05. Then I'm going to draw in center layer, draw a line from the center of the circle to the left 3.62. Now offset the layer 3 units. Another thing to notice about this drawing is that it is symmetrical. So that means we should focus on drawing half of it and then mirror that on the other side. So I'm going to focus on the lower part and then mirror that on the top. So this one, I'm going to change that to object layer. And from here, you go down, go to the object layer, go down 1.5 units. Then go right 2.25. I have the polar tracking on 45 and 90 series, so it's going to snap on that. As you can see this, it snaps on that, so I don't have to type the angle, but I can just type the length 1.51. Although you do know that we can type the angle as well, which we have done that in previous drawings. So now you're going to go up 1.5 and then horizontal 3.1, and you're going to stop there. Now you're going to mirror this, the lower half, on this line of symmetry. Then draw a line here, this center line, and end it at this, in a line with that endpoint. And now you can use your start and radius arc. Start and the radius is the end of this point. Match properties to the object layer. Use fillet command, and the radius is 0.6. You can click on multiple so that you can do both of these at the same time. the drawing part is complete, go to the title block, double click inside the viewport and check the scale. I think that actually is pretty good. We're just going to pan it in the middle and then lock it back. 1 to 2 scale is good. Now you can double click in the title block and change the title block. Go to dimension layer and add all the dimensions. One thing what I forgot to do was mark the centers of the circle and the arc. Type dim center, click on the center circle and you will see the center mark. If you learned something, please like, subscribe and share. Allah Hafiz.